Wagwan people, hey. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a day in my life as an entrepreneur. It's currently 10 a.m. I think it's 10 a.m. and I'm not at home today. I'm at Deja's, my cousin. She just helping me out with the business because I'm trying to find a schedule on YouTube, so when she packages and stuff for me, it just gives me a lot of time to record and edit and just put out content and stuff. So that's what's happening. But today she asked me to do the post office run for her, so I'm going to take you guys along with me to do that. And then also I woke up to a PayPal case, so I'm gonna talk you guys through that, and then we're just gonna see what else the day brings. Today's a really chill day for me. Like, I'm not stressing myself. Today is a lazy day in the life. A very lazy day. So I'm gonna have some breakfast. I don't know if I should have bacon and bagel or if I should have some overnight food, some Sunday, Monday. Today I'm Monday, by the way, guys. I came here last night, like not last night, I came here early this morning. Yeah, I probably came here about 1 a.m. because, you know, so we're night owl already, and yesterday I was mad busy, so the only time I could come was late in the night. So I told Deja I'll do the post office run, but I'm coming over late, which obviously she didn't mind. Let me just show you guys what we have today. Thank you guys so much for ordering, by the way. This would not be possible without the help of you guys, so I am so grateful, so grateful as always. So yeah, thank you guys for always supporting. We actually got a lot of orders, so I'll show you guys the rest later on. All of these aren't orders, some of them are for the influencers as well. But yeah, that's what we're bringing to the post office today, and we can just make some breakfast together. Sorry guys, we're just doing some laundry as well. So if you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Jaydah and I'm an entrepreneur. I own an online supplement store where you can shop and get appetite enhancers, gym equipment, activewear, and I also have a, what other business I have? You don't just forget what things I do. Okay, I also sell vendor lists. They're all reliable, approved, and tested vendors. I have personally spoken to them. Right now we have a lash vendor list available for purchase, so you guys can definitely go and check that out. As always, you can use my discount code Jaydah10 when shopping on any of my websites to get discounts. And you guys can also support my community at JaydahTalks Real Estate, where I teach my people everything that I know about real estate. Also, I have this new series on the channel going on called Entrepreneur to Entrepreneur, which was actually inspired by Rebecca Tembo. She actually has a podcast called Designer to Designer, where she basically just interviews designers and basically just share, you know, the gems that they have. So that's the same thing that I'm doing here with Entrepreneur to Entrepreneur, where I just tell you guys everything, the good, the bad, the ugly, everything that I wish I knew, everything that I'm doing, blah blah blah. Because I find that with entrepreneurship, like, you only ever see the end result of what people do. You don't actually see the progress, you don't ever see the journey, you don't really see the failures and stuff like that. So that's why I'm gonna put, you know, I'm gonna make that space that people can share things. When you can teach me can teach you, know. Simple. So that's that. Like I said, I don't know what to have. What could I do? That nice like a sandwich, I'm not lying. My cousin told me she made chow mein, but I don't see it. Oh, this is it. Oh, that's what it looks like. Hey. What one? You alright?
Yeah.
Look how long I don't see you.
Are you on a video?
Yeah. Where is he? Yeah, I'm on a video call. You can talk though, it's cool.
Okay. That's cool. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure of that?
Yeah.
No. I thought it was just like, I thought you were busy doing, you know.
Oh no, I'm just doing vlog. You wanna say hi to the vlog?
Hey guys.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Obviously, today's a blessing day, you know what I mean?
Let them know.
Support the team. You already know.
Like
and subscribe.
Yeah.
Come on. Alright, see you in a bit.
Alright, then take You just what? My old lady, yeah. My old lady. My lady, yeah. It's cheaper than mine, but.
You must see how they're the common denominators, because now we're like, I'm sick of it. Because we don't call it out what it is. We're all, okay, Black Lives Matter, stop Asian hate. Who is doing this to these bits? Who is hurting everybody? Who is hurting everybody? Who is it? Who is hurting everybody? Who is the common denominator?
Same way it's always men doing stuff.
There's my just there, I did the thumbnail.
Who is the common exactly?
And,
What we need to stop is, stop even putting on, like, we know Black Lives Matter, yes, stop fucking killing and hurting Asian people. Also, we need to stop the whites. I feel like this is what the slogan can be, but that is the problem.
Let me go from my laptop.
They need to start it. The ones that are allies, this is your time, and this is what I'm saying.
Why is it always you?
Karens, this is why, do you know what? That's what I was going to say earlier. When I saw the Karens galvanizing for women's rights, I was like, black women, respectfully, all black women, we need to sit this one out. Let the Karens need to take this one on. This needs to be their fight, because we've been screaming this stuff for years and years, and no one seems to listen.
Watch Misha, watch. Misha the first to comment. Be a break from YouTube now. Breed liquor. I have a video I need to drop like tomorrow or the day after that, so probably just a 1 day break. I'm just zooming by myself. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna start eating, so I'm gonna inform you. So basically about the PayPal case. Actually, let me close this and start again. So someone order above the normal quantity that we normally get. So like say the person order 2 dozen worth of products. So obviously we didn't send that out because normally when you have those big orders, it's usually a fraudulent activity. It's either a fraudulent activity or somebody try to scam, or it's actually true. So usually what we do is we send out an email to the person. So the minute you order, literally it just trigger off. We have something on the website that basically just lets you know if it's a high risk order, low risk order. And the way in which they determine that, I think, is if the person that is ordering, I believe if the card's registered to them, is if the CVV number or CC number, the number on the back of the card, if that 3-digit number is coming from the address, like it based on your location. So they basically just analyze it, and this one is a high risk order. So email the person to let them know, say, oh, we just want to confirm that you actually made the purchase. I just nudged my teeth. That was painful. Yeah, so the person order to try to find out, so email them to find out, for them to just confirm that they actually made the order and it's not a fraudulent activity. We didn't hear from the person, so I didn't refund the money. I just wait because I know so normally them email you, or if a month pass and them don't get the product, then I'm gonna raise a case on PayPal, or them will contact the company. So a month has passed. Instead of the person contacts us or reply to our email, there is a PayPal case. PayPal cases are cases from the devil. PayPal cases, very stressful. I had my fair share of them. Worst business nightmare. Because when you guys raise cases on PayPal, not only does PayPal refund your money, they also charge us for each case. So like people will charge you like £15 per case. Imagine if you get all 4 cases in a 1 week. You have to budget at least £50 for pay just to give back in a refund. So that doesn't make no sense. So anyways, now as the person trigger off the PayPal case, now we email them or follow up the email that they sent it through PayPal, and the contact, and they was basically saying that why would we hold on to the money and the products if we know that they ordered. We're like, we didn't know if it was you. It could have been a scam because it's way above our average orders. So we did go back and forth, and I was just saying basically we are more than happy to process a refund right now, and you can always repurchase if you wish, or we can send out the products to you and you retract the PayPal case. But obviously you have to cancel the PayPal case before we actually send the product, because some people, you know, some people smart. What they will do is this happened to me already, you know, so no, that's how I learned my lesson. What they will do is them open a PayPal case, and then, you know, the business owner, you get frightened because of PayPal, because you know the people are giving out their money. You get frightened now, and you send out the product, and you add the tracking number, and they still dispute it on PayPal, and at the end of the day they end up with the free product and they end up with the refund. I don't have it to give. So I asked her if she could take back the case, and she said no, she not take back the case unless I send out the product. I said, yeah, me send out the product. So does that mean that the minute I give you the tracking number, the case is going to be taken off? No response. So I think for just refund the money. Like sometimes money nice, you know, but peace of mind nice. I'm not like Let's see me gonna refund the money. I can't about the stress. Can't about the stress. You guys will tell the insight into the day in my life as an entrepreneur. This is what happens. I just have 2 main things to do. I need to have a phone call. I might do that before I sleep though. I just want to have a nap first. Another nap. I need to have a phone call to just chase up some email queries that's been outstanding. And then also I need to send off a package to an influencer. So I'll do that tomorrow. So this is the orders for today. Again, so grateful, so thank you guys. And I wish I had someone here to take a picture with me with them, because that would be so cute, but no one's here. We're going to be doing the drop and go at the post office today, so I don't actually need to join the line or anything. If you're new here, I spoke about this on my channel before. If you're an OG subscriber, you would already know about the drop and go service that Royal Mail has. But if you are new here, just a tip for your business, your small business. We have a few courier services in the UK. We have DHL, we have FedEx, we have Royal Mail, DPD, etc. But I use Royal Mail because that's the most affordable one. And also they do have a tracking service, so all of the items are usually tracked and signed for in most countries, except like smaller countries like, I don't know, like the Caribbean and stuff like that. But for majority of the orders going to USA, Australia, Canada, those, Royal Mail use, and they have a drop and go service where basically you can create a business account with them, or just a normal account. You give them your address and stuff, and every time you drop off your package, basically they come up, it shows you the calculation, it shows you how much you need to pay for that shipment, and then you just upload your details. So like now when I drop these off, I'm probably not gonna pay them until tomorrow morning, or if the guy calls Khadija, then obviously she'll just transfer the details from the bank account. So yeah, the drop and go service, time saving, so it's so effective. It saves you a lot of time. But yeah, these are the orders, guys. Remember to shop www.bodyofficial. These are the orders, guys. Remember to shop www.bodyofficial.co.uk and follow us on Instagram. And when you scan the barcode, it brings you straight to our website. I love these poly mailers so much. And as always, you gotta brand it, you gotta brand it, you gotta have a logo. I'm getting 40% off Uber, so let's book them instead of Allah today. I'm coming here, driver. Hello. I'm here to drop off the packages. Yeah. She's at work, so I just had to do it for her. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Cheers. No, you know what we need? We need 2 rolls. Could we have the
This one?
Yeah, and the other one.
This one?
Yeah, please. She asked me to get those. If that's okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, I was telling everyone about the drop and go service so they can come to you guys. Yeah, you're welcome. No worries. Thank you so much for waiting, driver. Cheers. So we got these. This is just for the address. So this is just like this is your customs declaration thing for the address. We go through these quite quickly to be honest. And then this now obviously for your international tracking you put on. I think. I don't know, they're just special together. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you are an entrepreneur, if you're a small business owner, if you want to learn about business, you just have an interest, definitely subscribe so that you can be the first to know when I actually drop my entrepreneur to entrepreneur videos like this one, where I just tell you guys what's been happening behind the scenes, show you guys what I can, and we all just grow together in business. So yeah, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.